switching roles today.
Yeah, back on your. You gotta hold it up higher though. You gotta.
I'm switching roles.
Gotta be the real.
I'm gonna record in fries today. Is this mic on?
Yeah, it should be. It's like always on when you.
Pop, pop, pop.
Girl day, girl day, girl day.
Where you at right now?
Girls day.
Yeah, what are you guys doing?
Girls are driving because it's girls day.
Is it all girls?
2 dudes.
Is it all girls?
It's all girls and 2 dudes, but like they're boyfriends and they have girl names today. So we have Jacobetti and Chipette.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Rad ass names.
This is Jaylina.
Jaylina. So where were you again?
What? Just here watching drifting.
I don't know how you be running around with this thing.
Cannot bend that down.
Sounds good.
So that's Chipette.
Good. That man back. He's on Twitter thread where Ken does that like.
So what are you doing today?
I'm just,
Out here vlogging?
yeah.
I need chapstick. Lisa, you need more space over there? No. Better,
A little better. Get in there. You gotta go a little faster.
and then a little bit slower.
We're getting there.
But we're getting there. Baby steps.
Baby steps. Shredder.
Baby shredder.
Ready to go back up?
Not right now.
Me and Natalie are switching seats. She's really excited for the K series. FA suck, but this thing, you gotta drive it at 999% commitment to get this thing through the track. Oh man, it's hilarious. I'm gonna go do another lap.
can't go. You didn't go up?
No, it's stuck.
Damn. Good one, Willie.
Yeah, I didn't think about it. Yeah, good job, dude.
From inside. There you go.
What's up, y'all? So I guess we're gonna clean up here now. You see the neon though?
Yeah, it's just gone.
Natalie's a shredder.
It's been a great day. All the ladies did great. Olivia dragging something, doing great. Yeah, Showtime's finest.
Showtime's finest. That's the word I was gonna use. Sorry, I'm tired.
Yeah, but
We
hopefully,
ran out of tire.
yeah, hopefully next time that we're out, we're in the K series. No more FF.
10,000 RPM. K series screaming. Well, hope you found this video entertaining. I guess let's see if we tie this up with something else or say thanks for watching.
Episode 2 of Natalie.
Yeah, it was eventful. She's getting there. Definitely a lot more progress than her first time out in this car. I will say the 6-piston fronts and the 4-piston rears is definitely a really wild combination of brakes for a bone stock FA. But yeah, we're getting there. So we'll be back out with her other car, the K Series car we're building. And thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and let's do it. See ya. All right, that's it.
This is good B-roll here.
You message Jennifer? You see where she is?
Yeah, message her. I'll do it.
Yeah, I don't.